Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. In this recipe, I will share with you a meatball recipe that will make you forget all the meatball recipes you know. I want to share the recipe for very soft, juicy, and delicious soda meatballs. Grate 1 large onion into the mixing bowl. As you can see on the screen, if it releases too much water, remove the water it has released. Add half a kilo of medium-fat beef brisket mince. Half a tea glass of breadcrumbs or stale breadcrumbs. Approximately 8 grams of salt, 3 grams of red pepper powder. Add 2 grams of chili flakes, 1 gram of cumin, and half a gram of black pepper. You can adjust the amount of salt and spices according to your taste. Add 5 grams of baking powder. Add 90 milliliters of plain mineral water. And knead our meatball mixture thoroughly. We need to knead our meatball mixture very well. I kneaded it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Cover it. Let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours. If possible, keep it in the refrigerator overnight, it will be better. I kept it in the refrigerator for about an hour and a half. To easily shape the meatballs, we can dip our hands in water occasionally. Tear off pieces slightly larger than a walnut and shape them. Since I will be cooking the meatballs on the oven grill, I place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. If you prefer, instead of grilling, you can cook the meatballs in a thick-bottomed pan after heating it thoroughly. Or you can grill them. They also turn out great when cooked in a pan or on the grill. After shaping all the meatballs, place 2 to 3 sliced tomatoes in the empty spaces on the tray. Six to 7 pointed peppers. Brush a little oil over the peppers and tomatoes to make them brown nicely. I only brush it over the tomatoes and peppers, there's no need to brush it over the meatballs. Then, in a preheated oven set to grill at 250 degrees Celsius. Place the tray on the top rack. As you can see, they browned in about 7 to 8 minutes. Flip them with tongs. Flip the tomatoes and peppers as well. Place them on the top rack of the oven set to grill at 250 degrees Celsius. It takes about another 7 to 8 minutes for the other side to cook. Our meatballs are browned in approximately 15 to 16 minutes. As you can see, they are wonderfully browned. As you can see on the screen, it is clear what a fantastic meatball it is. Cotton soft and juicy inside. It turned out to be a fantastic meatball and it's very, very practical to make. The taste was amazing, I'm sure you will love it when you try it. I recommend you try it at least once. Especially for those who will try it. I definitely await your comments. It will be a reference for others. Please do comment. Thanks for watching, hoping to see you again in different recipes.